bag there. Got the 2SS, put the leather seats in there. Got the Bose sound system. Camaro on there. Y'all see, SS, leather on the seats, sunroof. Pretty nice. Bose sound system. I started to let y'all hear it. That's mine. Got the quad pipes. Stock exhaust though. Start to let y'all hear it. Just on slight stock for right now. That's the mileage on it. Got everything y'all need right here. Everything he ever need right here. And I'm gonna show y'all under the hood. Start engine for right now. Start engine, but it's enough power for him. He don't need all that power. Got stock headers on it. And I'll give y'all one more walk around. Oh, so let me show y'all the tire setup on it. Nitto. Can't find it. There it is. 275/30. I mean, look aggressive. It's aggressive. Front Nittos too. $245. With the Brembos. And we gonna paint the calipers. So just stay tuned for that video. We're gonna paint the calipers. And we're gonna put that split on it. So stay tuned for that. Alright, it's your boy, Just Up for the Streets. Peace.